Hey guys, it's been a while since I've talked about affordable housing, and today I'm going to do just that. So if you'd like to see what's in store, go ahead and stick around. So first guys, I'd like to thank you so much for sticking around for this video, and I'd also like to thank everyone that has recently subscribed and everyone that has been here from way back when. And if you still haven't subscribed, remember it's not too late to join the community. Okay, so let's just jump right into our video. So today I want to talk about two affordable housing solutions or housing options, and they are 3D printed houses as well as Boxabl. Now 3D printed houses is not yet available to Jamaicans, however Boxabl is, but I do foresee in the near future we will be having 3D printed houses available to Jamaicans. So what is 3D printed houses? 3D printed houses, as the name suggests, is a house built by a 3D printer. Now you know 3D printers on a small scale, however there are large scale 3D printers that use a cement and other building materials to create large scale housing. Very recently an entire village in the US was created using only 3D printed houses. Now these houses go for half the cost of regular houses. They use a lot less labor, and I know this is a bit bothersome when you consider that a lot of persons in the construction field will get left behind, but there's always the option for them to learn to operate these equipment so that they would be better able to go ahead and be more competitive in the workforce. Now 3D printed houses, as I said before, go for half the cost, and they are just as good as any regular traditional housing. Now who would not want the option of having their house built in a faster time and being half the cost? Now I really don't see, I've researched it and I'm not seeing anywhere yet, if there is anywhere that anyone knows that does 3D printing housing in Jamaica, you can go ahead and leave it in the comment bar, but I'm not seeing that. But I do foresee it happening in the very near future. Now let's jump into our second topic, which is Boxabl. Now what is Boxabl? Boxabl is a house that comes in a box. And before you turn off the video and say I'm talking foolishness, just hear me out. So Boxabl, a house that comes in a box with fully furnished and also AC units. What's best, what is even more rather, is that these units ship right here to Jamaica. Now I had a very detailed conversation with an agent from Boxabl, and you guys can even go on their website. Their agents are extremely helpful, and if you have any questions they are just willing to answer. Now she indicated that they ship from their location in America worldwide at a cost of $2 to $4 per mile. So you just calculate how far you are from their location, and then you'll have the shipping cost. Now the house comes with a large fridge, it comes with a stove, a dishwasher, microwave, amongst other amenities. What's even more about these units is that you're able to expand on them using a wide range of building equipment. And they also offer, Boxabl themselves, they offer additional units that you can even stack. So they are stackable, you can attach to the side, you can attach to the front, the back, wherever. And they have a long warranty on them. They're storm resistant, they are fire retardant, yes, fire retardant, and water resistant. So you should really check it out because they go for 50,000 US dollars, and this includes everything except a bed. Yes, everything except the bed. So the shower head, the large refrigerator that I spoke about, washer, dishwasher, microwave, all of that comes with this unit, and there is a long warranty on them. So I'm leaving all the details to Boxabl's website. As I said, you can go ahead and speak to their representative, and they also offer a payment plan, and she indicated that yes, the payment plan is available for worldwide citizens, so not just Americans. So if you have some land and you're not sure of how you're going to start building on it, you can go ahead and consider getting a Boxabl studio. It is a studio which comes with the kitchen amenities, the kitchen appliance I should say, and the bathroom fixtures, all of that in this studio for only $50,000 US. Okay guys, so go ahead and leave any additional information that you guys may have on affordable housing in the comment bar. But until next time, see you soon.